Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Now, because the holidays are coming up so quickly and we have Christmas parties, we have New Year's Eve parties, we have so many parties to attend to, I thought I will create a look that is simple enough that any of you can recreate without much effort, but at the same time looks absolutely stunning. So I paired this sultry smoky eyes with this bomb color lip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe, and without further ado, let's get this started. Starting off with my eyebrows, as always, nothing new there. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills DIPBROW pomade in dark brown to fill in the sparse areas using my angled brush. I'm going to next use a spoolie to comb my brow hair just so the color spreads across evenly before I use the Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige to clean up the borders of my eyebrows and also to use it on my lids as a base for the eyeshadows. To avoid any creasing, I'm going to set this concealer with the NYC Smooth Skin loose powder. If the concealer doesn't crease on your lid, you don't have to set your lid. As a part of prepping my face, I'm going to be using the NYX Photo Loving Primer on my face and neck. It's been about half an hour since I exfoliated my face and applied a moisturizer, and it's all prepped and ready for the foundation that's coming up next. For foundation, I'm going with the COVERGIRL Healthy Elixir in 745, and I'm going to be applying this with my dough color foundation brush. This is a lightweight foundation and gives you medium coverage, and it feels very comfortable on the skin. To highlight the high points, I'm going to be taking the Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige. I'm going to be applying it directly and then blending it out with a damp beauty sponge. And for some structure and definition, I'm going to be using the Girl Pro Conceal in bronze to contour my face. And again, I'm going to blend everything out with a damp beauty sponge so it looks seamless. I'm going to use my loose powder only to set in areas where I use the concealer using my Sigma highlighter brush, and then I will take a powder puff with no extra powder on it. I'm going to use whatever is there on my face to spread all the powder across evenly to set and seal my entire face. I'm going to prep my lips using some lip balm, and then I'm going to use more of the loose powder underneath my eyes before I jump to the eye makeup. So in case there's any fallout from the eyeshadows, it's easier to dust it off later without spoiling my base makeup. I'm taking Vintage from the Tartist Pro Amazonian Clay Palette, and with a small shader brush, I'm going to first highlight my brow bones. And then with the small angled brush, I'm going to take the same shade and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner and drag it all the way to 2/3 of my lid. And the reason I use the small angled brush is it's very easy to get into those corners and also to create a soft cut crease. And then I'm going to take no filter with my Sigma E40 large blending brush. I'm going to first place this in the outer corner and keep on blending till it melts into my skin and it looks well blended and seamless. To balance the colors in my lower lash line with the lid colors, I'm going to use no filter in the outer half of my lower lash line. I'm going to smoke it out using a pencil brush. And in the inner half, I'm going to be using Vintage. I'm going to quickly dust off all the excess powder before I use some foaming lashes from Bepholan. These are dual layered, so they're voluminous, and they also wing out at the end, so they kind of elongate your eyes. These are very inexpensive lashes, but on top of that, if you need a discount, there is a discount code and a link in the description box below, but just keep in mind those are affiliate links. So if you buy from them, I do get a small commission. And then I'm going to finish up my eye makeup with a coat of mascara. For my upper lashes, I'm using the Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline. And for the lower lashes, I'm using Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild. From the Beauty Treats Endless Daze Bronze Booklet, I'm going to be using Electric to bronze up my face and to add some warmth and definition. And then from the Coastal Scents 10 color blush palette, I'm taking this kind of a rosy mauvish color to add a nice hue to my cheeks. Because I'm going for a matte look today, I want the highlighter to be very subtle. I'm using Desert Glow again from the Beauty Treats palette, and I'm going to be very lightly applying this to the highest point of my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose, and it's going to be very light. And on my lips, I wanted a deep berry red, so I'm going with the Sleek Makeup Major Matte Liquid Lipstick in Regal. And last but not least, I'm giving myself a good spritz of the Wet n Wild setting spray, just so everything is locked in and my makeup lasts longer. And here's the final look. This is one of those eye makeups that are so simple and so easy to do. All you have to do is place the color, blend it out, and you have a smoky eye. And of course, I enjoyed pairing it with this beautiful color lip. Let me know your thoughts by commenting below. And if you enjoyed watching me, as always, don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with another tutorial. Bye guys.